guys, so we're just going to go ahead and jump in. I am taking a white pencil from Wet n Wild and I am just placing that all over my lid. That's going to be my base so that my color really pops. And I'm just setting it with a little bit of concealer on my beauty blender to blend that out. And then I don't want it to have that super white harsh line, so that's why I do that. But we're just going to go ahead and jump in. I was just inspired to do like this red eye. I was on my way home from work and I was like, I wonder if I have a red shadow. And I was like, well, I know that I have a red liquid lipstick and I'm sure if I do have a red liner, those two together would make it like super red. So I did have a red eyeshadow. I'm using two palettes, the Shayla X Colourpop Perception palette, and then I'm also using the Eyes of the 60 palettes from BH Cosmetics. And this color that I'm placing on, not directly in my crease, but slightly above my crease, I am placing from the Shayla X Colourpop Perception palette, and it's the color Thick. Absolutely love it. It's like an orange-red color, so I figured that'd be really pretty to mix in with the red liquid lip you'll see later. But I'm just blending, dipping back into the pan so I can get more color payoff. That was really important to me, that I really wanted this eye to be super bold, super out there. So dipping back into that color to get that color payoff. And then next I am using a Sephora blending brush, and I just dipped my brush. I dipped my brush into the pan of the Thick, and then there's the orange shade in the Eyes of the 60 palettes, and I mix those two together and I'm just placing that in my crease. So here I'm just taking that liquid lip and placing it on my hand, and I'm just taking a flat brush. I'm not sure where this flat brush is from, but I'm just taking that and placing that liquid lipstick in the center of my lid. This is my first time actually doing this technique, which I absolutely love now. Like I always see people do this, especially if they have a color that they want to use, but they don't have an actual eye color, like an eyeshadow. They'll do this, and it worked really well, and it took forever to get off. But if that's the look you're going for, that's the look you're going for. So I'm definitely going to have to try this with different liquid lipsticks in the future. But again, I'm just placing that in the center. And then now I am taking the red eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow from the Eyes of the 60 palette. And I'm just placing it where I place that lipstick. But then I'm also taking it all over my lid. So the only reason I put the liquid lipstick in the center is because that's the part that I want to be the boldest. So the inner corner and the outer corner can be a little bit lighter. That's why I didn't place the liquid lipstick there. But I'm just packing, getting as much of that color in there as possible. Taking a blending brush, this is the tapered blending brush from Morphe, and I dipped it into that red color, and I am just blending the bottom half of my lip up into that crease, and I'm also extending it super far. Again, I don't know, I was just feeling inspired, and this is the look that I came up with. So I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye, packing on that color and going back in with that blending brush to blend everything together and exaggerate the wing. And then I went back to my Morphe brush and I dipped back into that Thick, and I'm just placing more of that on top and then making sure I blend between the two colors again. So because you guys know that I struggle with lashes, I went ahead and I put those on. One, to measure out how far I want that eyeshadow to come out, and then two, because I knew it was going to take me forever to do, so I just went ahead and did it now. And I'm speeding through the face part. I don't have long clips on this because you've guys seen my makeup, my face routine many times, but I'm just using my Hourglass and my Maybeline foundation, mixing the two, blending it out. I'm going in with my Kylie Cosmetics concealer in Sassafras. And then I'm also going to go into my NARS my creamy radiant concealer and the color Carmel that I mixed the two together. But here I am going to show you. So I took the NARS concealer and I used that to clean up my eye look. So I'm just going to take that brush and pull it out so that I can reshape how far the eyeshadow comes out, and that it has a straight edge. And then I took a brush to blend that out, just so that I can make sure everything is precise. And then I just go in with my beauty blender and blend it all out. Again, I just skipped this part because you guys have seen this routine many times. I will link like my full foundation routine in the description box if you would like to see it. But here I am contouring with my Maybelline Cream Stick Foundation. And now I am setting my face with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm just taking a brush from e.l.f. and I'm just using that to set my face. And now I'm just taking a pencil brush and I am placing that red shade on my lower lash line. And I'm dragging it down super far because I want that dramatic effect. Taking a blending brush and I'm blending that out, and I'm also dragging it back up into my V. Next, I am taking a small detail brush and I'm going back into that orange shade, the thick, and I am placing that under the red shade. Using my Better Than Sex mascara, just putting some mascara on my lower lash line because we want those babies to pop. And now I am just lining my lips with my MAC pencil in Cork. As you can see, it is very, very small because it is my absolute favorite, but so I definitely have to go and pick one of those up soon. But until the baby don't work, we're gonna use it, honey. Next, I'm going in with my KKW X Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in Double Trouble. And then I am just topping it with, again, KKW X Kylie and the color Kiki. And that's it pretty much. I add on some highlight. I spray my face with a little Mario Rose water. I decided to put on some lip gloss. So this is Buxcom. I'm not sure of the name, but I will have it listed in the description box below. And that is it, guys. That is the finished look. Again, I know this is not something that I normally do, but I was just feeling really inspired and I went with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.